Hi, I'm Tim Berglund with Confluent. There's a lot of data in the world, but the problem is it's not always in the right place or in the right format. Moving it to where you want and in the form you want is the heart and soul of the discipline of building data pipelines. In this course, we talk about building data pipelines with Kafka in Confluent Cloud. We talk about how to ingest data from the outside world using Kafka Connect, focusing in particular on a very common kind of ingest called change data capture. Once the data is in Kafka, we'll look at how to transform it in real time using stream processing in ksqlDB. We'll even use ksqlDB to join a stream of real-time data to a lookup table. It's pretty cool. And of course, we don't want all that enriched value-added data to stay only in Confluent Cloud, so we'll see how Kafka Connect helps us with data egress as well, writing data to an external system. Data in motion is almost always moving between disparate systems and being transformed along the way. So, a working knowledge of data pipelines is an essential tool in your toolbox. Take this course to get your start.